In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the centre, heater vent and Speedo surround trim from the dashboard on a Tiguan Mk2 that's years 2017 onwards. Tools you'll need for the job: some trim removal tools and a small flat screwdriver. First step is to remove the upper steering column shroud. So lower the steering wheel down and all the way out to give you a bit of access. And then this top half, using your trim tool, does just split. So pull it up at the back, create a gap, and just pry that apart. Do the same on the other side. And just make sure that's free and ready to come, because it comes away with the trim around the dash. Now to remove this trim, it is all one piece. These are two separate pieces to the radio, to the heater vents, but it comes out together as one piece. Best thing to do is start here where you can get your hands in and get a bit of grip and just pull the bottom of the trim away, just so you can create some little gaps to get your trim tool in. So we've pulled that out and it's created a little gap round the side, and you've just got to slowly work round with your trim tool, prying it out. It's just clicked in all the way around and it is quite tight. You'll feel it just start to lift out of the dash. I find it best to start at that end and then work your way along, because it's quite hard to get the trim tool in around it. So if you start round in, just give yourself a little bit of leverage. And there you go. So it's all pretty much loose. There's one more on this side. Once that's loose, the whole thing should pull towards you. There are still some wires on the back of the hazard switch. There you go. And you'll have to undo those. So there's two plugs on the back of the hazard switch. One is for the passenger airbag light, the top one. You've got to push each side in. You don't need a screwdriver because it's quite hard to get your hands in both sides. This one, and the other has just got a tab on one side on the blue plug. Push that in. And that one's free, and you can pull the trim away from the dash.